Today we have a little crocheting kit. So it comes in this little case. It's really easy to store, doesn't take up a lot of space or anything. It's purple. The company chose that just because of the color trends of the year, which I thought was kind of cool. So it comes with 12 different crocheting hooks, all of different sizes, starting with 0.2, which is this one, which is pretty small, or 2 millimeters, sorry, not 0.2. It's a really tiny hook, and then it goes all the way up to an 8 millimeter hook. So we'll look at all of those, but they're very different in sizes, which is nice. It also comes with a little wrench, which you're going to use to attach it into the actual tool itself. But if you look at this, it has a little grip, so you're not just grabbing onto an actual metal rod like a normal crocheting hook would be. And then we have a little light here, which you'll see later, but that turns on just that simple button. And then the S and the R show up on this little screen, so you can mess with the stitch and the row count, which is super nice. You don't have to keep that in your head. If you just hit the button, it keeps it for you, and you can like save it into this device, which is super cool. It also comes with a charger. If you charge it for 10 minutes, just like this with the USB, it will hold charge for 6 to 8 hours, which is a long time to be able to crochet without having to recharge it. So to attach a piece, you would just take it, and we're going to use the 7 millimeter. You would line it up in those little grooves, just like that, and then this wrench just kind of helps. If you tighten it, you'll hear a little click, and now it's not going to come out. So that's super easy to use, and when you turn the light on, it just gives you a little bit of extra lighting, which I definitely think is beneficial. So I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a crocheting kit.